Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of single burner hot plates. Whether you're looking for an extra cooking solution for your kitchen, a portable option for your RV or dorm, or just something compact for those quick meals, I've got you covered. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best single burner hot plates currently available. We'll break down their features, performance, and who they're best suited for. If you're ready, let's get started. Coming in at number 4 is the Cooktop electric hot plate, a versatile and powerful option that stands out for its compatibility with all types of cookware. This hot plate packs a punch with 1,500 watts of power and 7 heat settings, making it great for everything from warming sauces to searing meats. The cast iron heating element retains heat well, ensuring consistent cooking performance. Plus, the compact size makes it an excellent choice for dorm rooms, offices, or RVs. The build quality of the Cooktop hot plate is impressive. Its black stainless steel body is not only sleek, but also designed to withstand frequent use. The non-slip rubber feet keep it stable during cooking, and its lightweight design makes it portable enough for travel. However, one thing to note is that the body and control knobs can get hot during extended use, so it's important to use it on a heat-resistant surface. The automatic shutoff feature adds a layer of safety, giving you peace of mind during operation. While the price is currently unavailable, this hot plate offers a lot of value with its high wattage and durable build. The main drawbacks are that it might cycle on and off when maintaining temperature, which could be a slight inconvenience for precise cooking. Overall, the Cooktop is a fantastic option for those who need a reliable and portable hot plate. Pros include its high power, versatile compatibility, and durable design. Cons include possible temperature cycling and the lack of current pricing information. At number 3, we have the Ovente Countertop Infrared Single Burner. This sleek and modern hot plate uses infrared technology to heat up quickly and evenly, making it perfect for a variety of cooking tasks like boiling, frying, or keeping food warm. With 1,000 watts of power and a 7-inch ceramic glass cooktop, it's compatible with virtually all types of cookware, as long as they have a flat bottom that matches the burner size. The design of the Ovente infrared burner is where it truly shines. The stainless steel housing and ceramic glass top give it a premium look, and at just 2.4 pounds, it's incredibly lightweight and portable. It's perfect for small spaces like dorms, studio apartments, or RVs. The adjustable temperature knob and indicator light make it easy to use, while the automatic shutoff feature adds an extra layer of safety. Cleaning is a breeze. Just wipe down the glass and stainless steel surface and you're good to go. At $25.99, this hot plate offers excellent value, combining aesthetics, performance, and portability. It's ideal for anyone who needs a compact and efficient cooking solution. However, the lower wattage compared to some competitors means it might struggle with heavy-duty tasks. Pros include its stylish design, infrared heating technology, and ease of cleaning. Cons? It's less powerful than higher wattage models and might not be the best choice for cooking large meals. Taking the number 2 spot is another excellent product from Ovente, the electric countertop single burner. This model features a 7.25-inch cast iron plate that heats up quickly and evenly, powered by 1,000 watts. The adjustable temperature knob offers 3 heat settings, making it versatile for a range of cooking tasks, from boiling water to frying. This burner is a great choice for those who want a straightforward, no-frills option that gets the job done. The Ovente electric burner is well built, with a durable stainless steel base that resists rust and warping. Non-slip rubber feet keep it stable during use, and the compact design makes it easy to store or take on the go. It's perfect for small kitchens, dorms, or even camping trips. The built-in safety features, including the automatic shutoff function, add peace of mind, especially for busy households. Cleaning is also hassle-free. Just wipe the surface with a damp cloth. At $18.99, this hot plate is a fantastic budget-friendly option. It offers solid performance, excellent portability, and a durable design. However, the lower wattage might not be sufficient for heavy-duty cooking tasks. Pros include its affordability, even heating, and compact build. Cons: it's not the most powerful option, and the cast iron plate takes longer to cool after use. And finally, at the top of our list is the Elite Gourmet ESB 301BF number countertop single cast iron burner. This budget-friendly hot plate is the perfect combination of affordability and functionality. With a 6.4-inch cast iron cooking plate and 1,000 watts of power, it heats up quickly and provides consistent temperature control. The simple knob lets you easily adjust the heat to low, medium, or high, making it great for a variety of cooking tasks. From keeping food warm to boiling water, the Elite Gourmet hot plate is compact and lightweight, making it ideal for small kitchens, dorm rooms, or travel. Despite its low price point, it's surprisingly durable, with a stable design that includes non-skid feet. The power indicator light is a helpful safety feature, and cleaning is a breeze. Just wipe down the cast iron plate with a damp cloth. It's also worth noting that this model is the #1 bestseller in countertop burners, with a 4.4-star rating from over 13,000 reviews on Amazon. At just $16.99, the Elite Gourmet ESB 301BF number offers unbeatable value. It's an excellent choice for anyone on a tight budget who needs a reliable and portable cooking solution. The only real downside is its lower wattage, which means it might not be ideal for heavy-duty or high-heat cooking. Pros include its price, portability, and ease of use. Cons: limited power and a smaller cooking surface compared to larger models. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this video helped you find the perfect single-burner hot plate for your needs. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. See you in the next video.